Cancer cell dies when you eat these 7 foods. Time to start eating them. Before watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. An anti-cancer diet is an important strategy you can use to reduce your risk of cancer. The American Cancer Society recommends, for example, that you eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily and eat the right amount of food to stay at a healthy weight. In addition, researchers are finding that certain foods that prevent cancer may be an important part of an anti-cancer diet. Number 1. Carrots. Like kale and spinach, carrots pack carotenoids, an antioxidant group that may help prevent rectal cancer. Evidence suggests that consuming high levels of carotenoids from fruits and vegetables can be protective in relation to cancer recurrence. Studies show that these antioxidants in carrots may be able to fight leukemia cells, and may play a role in reducing your risk of some of the most widespread types of cancers, including ovarian and breast cancer. Number 2. Tomatoes. Cooked tomatoes are especially good for the guys in your life. They contain a carotenoid called lycopene that might lower prostate cancer. The juicy red fruit can help guard the DNA in your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Tomatoes contain a particularly high concentration of an effective antioxidant called lycopene. Your body may absorb lycopene better from processed tomato foods such as sauce, which means that whole wheat pasta with marinara sauce could be a delicious way to get your dose of cancer-fighting foods. Number 3. Fiber. They're rich in fiber, including certain cereals, root and other types of vegetables, and legumes, seems to protect against colon cancer. Every 10 grams of fiber you eat is associated with a 10% reduced risk of colorectal cancer and a 5% fall in breast cancer risk, says a study published in the Annals of Oncology. In addition to the anti-cancer effects of fiber, the foods that contain it, like veggies and fruits, are also rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that could further reduce your odds, notes chef. Read even more about your diet and cancer risk. Number 4. Garlic. The World Health Organization advises adding about a clove a day to foods. It may lower your risk of colon, stomach and breast cancers. Allium vegetables, especially garlic, and their bioactive sulfur compounds are believed to have effects at each stage of cancer formation, and affect many biological processes that modify cancer risk. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric may reduce cancer risk. This orange-colored spice, a staple in Indian curries, contains an ingredient called curcumin, not the same as cumin, that may be useful in reducing cancer risk. According to the American Cancer Society, curcumin can inhibit some kinds of cancer cells in laboratory studies and slow the spread of cancer or shrink tumors in some animals. This cancer-fighting food is easy to find in grocery stores, and you can use it in a variety of recipes on your anti-cancer diet. Number 6. Berries. The ORAC scores of nearly all berries are very high, making them some of the top high antioxidant foods in the world. Blueberries, raspberries, cherries, strawberries, goji berries, camu camu and blackberries are easy to find and use in numerous types of recipes, which is good news considering they supply vitamin C, vitamin A and gallic acid, a powerful antifungal or antiviral agent that increases immunity. Number 7. Organic meats. Organic meats including beef or chicken liver are recommended on many cancer-fighting diets since they're considered some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and extremely high in vitamin B12. Consuming organic meats as part of a nose-to-tail approach to eating animal proteins provides minerals that help cleanse the liver and enhance the ability to remove toxins from the blood and digestive tract. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share your friends and family. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is totally free.